you, the first type of movement I explained to you was passing along the principal occlusal rest of the abutment teeth. This is the fulcrum line, as you can see on both the sides. So if there's going to be a movement from here to here, here to here, then this kind of movement or rotation of the distal extension base has to be prevented by something which is at right angles to the fulcrum line. And that right angle placement of your indirect retainer is what is going to prevent this movement of the partial denture. So the sinking in of the denture base and this kind of movement of heel raising movement is going to be prevented by your indirect retainer. And it functions with a class 2 lever. That means it transfers the class 1 to the class 2 lever, and this class 2 lever is going to prevent the movement of your partial denture. So indirect retainer, again, very, very important. It assists the direct retainer in preventing displacement of your distal extension denture bases. And remember, indirect retainers are only used in class 1 and class 2 distal extension cases. That is the choice of components specifically used only in Kennedy's class 1 and class 2 situations. What are the different types of indirect retainers? Auxiliary occlusal rest, as you can see here. Here, this is your occlusal rest, auxiliary occlusal rest. The lingo plate itself sometimes is acting completely as a indirect retainer. This is the canine extension you can see here. See, this is the rest and this is the canine extension. Then the canine rest can act as an indirect retainer. The whole lingo plate, as I said, acts as an indirect retainer because you have cingulum rests on all the anterior teeth. And the complete palatal plate, that means the lingo plate and the complete palatal plate, which are actually major connectors, but they also will function as indirect retainers. So these are your different types of indirect retainers which are acting to prevent the movement of the distal extension partial denture. An extremely important choice of component when you're designing a Kennedy's class 1 and class 2 situation.